Hello, little friends. Today, we're going to draw a cute cat and color it using colors we make ourselves. Let's get started. First, draw a round head. Then add 2 little eyes in the middle. Draw a tiny nose like a dot and a smiling mouth just below it. Now draw 3 whiskers on each side. On top of the head, draw 2 triangle-shaped ears. Next, draw the body like an oval shape. Then add 4 little legs at the bottom and a curly tail on the side. Wow! Our cat is all drawn and ready. Now let's mix 3 brand new colors. It's so fun. White color, red color, black color, blue color. White plus red equals pink. White plus black equals gray. White plus blue equals sky blue. Did you see that? We just made 3 beautiful new colors all by ourselves. Now let's use them to color our cat. Let's start coloring our cat just like this. Head and body gray, white plus black. Ears pink, white plus red. Tail sky blue, white plus blue. Eyes and whiskers black. Nose pink. Doesn't our cat look amazing? So colorful and bright with our own homemade colors. Your colorful kitty is ready to shine. Great job, little artist. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to Kiddo Color Club. We'll be back with more fun drawings soon. Bye-bye.